Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make homemade bagels. Start by measuring flour and water precisely, activate the yeast in warm water, and mix until a shaggy dough forms. Knead for 10 to 12 minutes until smooth and elastic, then let it rise until doubled. Divide, rest, and shape each piece into a tight ring before a short proof, boiling, topping, and a golden bake. Shaping bagels well makes a huge difference in texture and appearance. After dividing the dough into equal pieces, perform each ball by tucking edges under to create surface tension. Either roll into a rope and join ends, or poke a hole and stretch gently until balanced. Aim for consistency so boiling and baking yield even, chewy rings with well-defined holes and crisp crusts. Boiling is the signature step that creates chew and shine on bagels. Bring a wide pot of water to a gentle boil and add malt, sugar, or honey to flavor and color the crust. Drop bagels in a few at a time, flip once, and boil for about 30 to 60 seconds per side, depending on chew preference. Transfer to a preheated tray, top immediately, and bake until deeply golden.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.